Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll talk about how you can trade using seconds in MetaTrader 5 platform. Just in beginning, before I start to talk about this, I want first to show you that you on the MetaTrader 5 chart, you can use 1, 5, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours chart, daily, weekly, monthly, but you have a non-standard chart time frames like 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 6, 8, 12, etc. However, you do not have ability to trade in seconds. Just there is right now in 2023, there is no function for that. However, maybe it will be in the future. However, there is solution. You can use a special expert advisor for this. And I have a very good news. You can use it for free. And today I will show you how to trade in seconds in MetaTrader 5 platform using the expert advisor. The first step that you need to do, just on the bottom of MetaTrader 5 platform, you should press the market. Right now on the screen, you have the market. Here, you have a search market, and you can search and type the name of expert advisor. Type candle by seconds, and you will see this banner. Candle by seconds, the frame in seconds. This is the free expert advisor. Press and you will see the basic stuff about this indicator, but this indicator is very easy to use. Here where you can see the open, you will have the download. Just press this button and you will be able to download this indicator. When you click open, here in the market, in the expert advisor, in subfolder market, you will have the candle by seconds expert advisor. Now you can use on the charts. One very important announcement before I start to explain how to use this expert. The question is, why do not I use in MetaTrader 4 seconds indicator or expert advisor? It's not smart. First, MetaTrader 4 is a little bit slower than MetaTrader 5. And if you want to scalp and using seconds, please use MetaTrader 5 because it's a few milliseconds faster than MetaTrader 4. The another problem in MetaTrader 4, in the functions, there's no ability that you can easily, I said there is a catch that you can do that as a programmer, but it's very hard to import previous tick data because you need to have a previous history tick data and minutes because you want to get a chart. However, in MetaTrader 5, it's much faster, and you will see how. So let me start. First, I will go to Find, File, and pick the new chart. I will use, for example, British Pound Dollar. This is the British Pound Dollar chart. The first step that you need to do in British Pound Dollar chart is to set on 1 minute chart time frame. So I repeat, this is crucial, very important if you want this advisor to work properly. Set on the 1 minute time frame. So pick 1 minute time frame, and then when you finish that, go here, candle by seconds, and just drag and drop. When you do this, you will get this input. Input is very easy. All these chart mode, new window, first bar delay, etc. It's not so important like the first one. It's a number of seconds. So if you want the chart of 3 seconds, just type number 3 here and you will get the chart with 3 seconds. Okay, load history you can see in the left upper corner. Wait couple seconds and right now you see the British Pound Dollar 3 second chart. Can you believe? Right now you trade in seconds, not minutes, in seconds. So every second you can see some information about British Pound Dollar, and you see the strong bullish trend even on minute chart, even on second chart, even on daily chart. And right now you can see on my screen that I have the bullish buy positions for British Pound Dollar. What is important here? One very important tip is if you decide to trade using the seconds time frames, and usually people do that, they want to scalp. Remember one thing, that if you trade during the news, why to use the seconds time frames? Why? Because you will see crazy volatility, crazy up and down spikes. You will not be able to trade on that kind of chart. So during the important news events, start, for example, from the 5 minute chart, then 15, 1 hour, 4 hours, etc. So 5 minute chart is way better than 5 seconds chart in MetaTrader 5 platform. So this is the very important tip for scalpers. However, if you're a scalper, I just created one video to 2 days ago, so you can try and see my strategy about 1 minute strategy. I do not scalp. I'm not scalper, but like I said, this YouTube channel is for everyone, so I need to create interesting videos for every single group people. So sometimes I want to share some great strategy that people can use. So this is it. I wish you a great day and bye bye.